is Tom, and this is a vertical lift module Kardex Shuttle. Today, Tom will give us step-by-step instructions on how to use this automated storage and retrieval system. Here we go. First, he must turn on the Kardex Shuttle. Once it is powered on, he can use the operator panel to direct the unit. To start the picking process, Tom simply enters his desired items, the quantity needed, and finally presses the green process button. Now the extractor moves to retrieve the tray where the items are stored and delivers it to the ergonomic access opening. Kardex shuttles can be integrated with the Kardex PowerPick System inventory management software. This software automates the order picking process and improves productivity and throughput when combined with appropriate picking strategies. Tom additionally equipped his system with the display LED navigator. With visual cues, the pick countdown indicates when he can pick his items from the tray. This pick-to-light technology guides him to the correct pick location by displaying detailed data such as part description and quantity to pick. And as if that weren't enough, an optional light pointer shows him the exact pick location. After Tom picked his desired items, he can enter the next item for picking or simply return the tray. Tom is excited by the automated process improvements in his operations, saving him space, increasing picking accuracy and productivity. Optimize your processes by using a vertical lift module Kardex Shuttle and be happy, just like Tom.